Today, we will talk about Form 2439, Notice to Shareholder of Undistributed Long-Term Capital Gains. Form 2439 is an IRS form that mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and real estate investment trusts must distribute to shareholders to report undistributed long-term capital gains. Essentially, it is a way for these companies to report to shareholders any long-term capital gains that they have decided not to distribute. Form 2439 is produced by the U.S. Internal Revenue Service for use by REITs and REITs to inform shareholders of long-term capital gains that it has not distributed to its investors. Regulations require fund companies to distribute almost all gains to investors, but they can accumulate capital gains in the months of November and December. Investors whose shares are held in tax-free accounts may file a Form 990-T if they want to claim a tax refund on the taxes paid by the fund company. The net result of a capital gains allocation is essentially the same for the shareholder as a capital gains distribution. One potential difference between a capital gains allocation and a capital gains distribution is that, because it falls into a higher income bracket, the fund company likely pays a higher tax rate on the gains. By reporting the amount paid by the fund company on their individual Form 1040, the shareholder may benefit from the discrepancy between the fund company's tax rate and their own. Here are three key takeaways. 1. Form 2439 is an IRS form that regulated investment companies, REITs, mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, and real estate investment trusts, REITs, are required to distribute to shareholders in order to report undistributed long-term capital gains. 2. If a fund company decides to retain its capital gains, rather than distribute them to shareholders, it must pay taxes on behalf of shareholders and report these transactions on Form 2439. 3. The net result of a capital gains allocation is essentially the same for the shareholder as a capital gains distribution. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.